bud. Go ahead, lay down. Go ahead, make your bed. Good boy. Is that perfect or what, bud? Hey, good morning, everybody. This is our first morning in the Superior National Forest. Right after we ate dinner last night, it started to downpour, and it turned into a huge ordeal. We had just a rush to get all of our stuff packed into the van and out of the rain, which we were able to do. And that particular campsite was just infested with black flies. It was a beautiful campsite, but the black flies were out of this. Yeah, I mean, there was literally hundreds just clinging to the sides of the van and bothering the heck out of poor Ruger and us. And it rained, so we sat in the van and watched a movie on the computer. Selena downloaded a couple movies off of Netflix, so that worked out actually really nice. And we ended up packing up and went to another campsite about 10 miles away, and that's where we are this morning.
Well worth the drive.
Yes, we have pretty good amount of mosquitoes here, but at least the mosquito spray works or helps with the mosquitoes. But there's nothing that we could find that we had that could deal with those black flies. I mean, literally probably thousands of those things. And not only were they flies and a nuisance, but they would bite you too, and they were biting the heck out of my ankles, through my socks. And I sprayed my ankles and my socks with mosquito spray, and it still didn't do any good. Anyway, we're glad to get out of there. That'll make you rethink what you're doing. We were like, man, what are we gonna do? Let's try somewhere else. So we did. Luckily, we came across this site, and it actually worked out nicer because this particular campsite, we're on another lake up here, is it's a little bit higher and farther away from the lake, which I think might have to do with why the flies aren't so bad. But this one actually has water, so as soon as we finish breakfast, I'm cooking up some eggs, trying to with one hand while I talk to you guys, holding the holding the gimbal on the other hand. As soon as we finish up breakfast, they have water, so we're gonna set up our mobile shower tent and set up a shower. As you could imagine, Selena is, hi Ruger, Selena is wanting a shower and I need a shower, so, but that's going to be our plan for today. Eat this breakfast. The eggs are looking good. Hopefully I got them in shot. Anyway guys, I'm going to get off here so we can get this breakfast finished up, and then we'll show you the shower setup once we get to that point. We're boiling up some water with the 1-burner propane. Here's our shower. Kind of your typical nomad backcountry shower. Just a spray bottle. I think it's a 2-gallon. Modified with a sink sprayer. Just connected to the hose there with a 1/4-inch adapter. And Selena's going to take this first shower because it's going to be cold. She's got almost 2 gallons of water in here, and we got just a little pan that's going to be boiling we're going to dump in there. She's going to test it out and let me know, and then we'll know how to adjust it so I get a warm shower. Right?
It's all about you. Hey, at least it won't be freezing cold though. It should be okay.
We'll see.
Better than no shower.
And then we got our little shower tent set up. We picked up let me show you here. Picked this up at a yard sale. This little foldable shower floor. If your toes don't get caught in that thing. Something to stand on while you rinse up. And of course we got our bucket toilet there. And she's going to be giving it a whirl here in just a minute. That water's just about ready to
Nice.
boil. All right, we got our showers. We're all cleaned up, feeling like human beings again. And we're going to go for a little walk. It's a beautiful day. Had a little issue with that darn shower, that spray bottle. We haven't used it for so long. Where you unscrew the pump handle to fill it with water, there's an O-ring around there. Well, guess what? Yeah, the O-ring was shot and it wouldn't hold pressure. So we got lucky. We took an old plastic Walmart bag and kind of ripped it up into strips and wrapped it around there like Teflon tape on those threads and screwed it back in. And it wasn't 100%, but it was usable. It'll get us through this trip. Thank goodness. Otherwise, we'd still be okay. We'd just do a tub bath or something. But you can see how beautiful it is around here. Nice, bright, sunny day. We're just 100 feet from the campsite. This little brown building up here on the right is the kind of the entrance, and that's where the water is. We need to come down and top off our 5-gallon jug again here. After the showers, we probably only used a couple gallons apiece. out pretty nice. We'll see you on the next one.